So, students, today we will be dealing about the fields of microbiology. Yesterday we have seen about the different types of microorganisms in the microbiology, or the unity of microorganisms. Which type of microorganisms were present? As such, we have seen about the prokaryotes and the eukaryotes. A brief introduction I am telling you about, and the different type of microorganisms such as the bacteria, the archaebacteria, then the algae, fungi, then viruses and protozoa. Now we will be telling about the fields of microbiology. I told you in my previous lecture also that you please carefully listen about the different works of the microorganisms, what they are doing, what are their functions, and in which field they can be used. So why are we studying the microbiology? What are the different fields of microbiology where we can proceed for our career? As in my previous lecture also, I told you about that the study of bacteria is known as bacteriology, that of protozoans is known as protozoology, that of algae is known as phycology, that of parasites is known as parasitology, that of fungi is known as mycology, and that of viruses is known as virology. In that of immune system is known as immunology, and there are various branches of microbiology which we will be seeing. Now, the microorganisms and their activities are vitally important to virtually all processes on the earth. How they help us and in what way they are required. Without microorganisms, we cannot imagine about the world. Microorganisms matter because they affect every aspect of our life. They are on us, they are with us, and they are around us. These microbes play key roles in nutrient cycling, biodegradation and biodeterioration, climate change, food spoilage, the cause and control of disease. They are the cause and control, and we can control disease, and are used in the biotechnology, in which we are using these as tools, and the microorganisms and the technique, they together forms a field which is known as the biotechnology, and which is used nowadays for various aspects. Thanks to their versatility, microbes can be put to work in many ways. For example, in making life-saving drugs, in manufacturing of biofuels, cleaning up the pollution, that is bioremediation, producing, processing food and drink, that comes under the industrial microbiology. The themes of the microbiology and its field. Now coming to our major topic, that what are different fields where this microbiology can be used. So if we divide the microbiology into two basic fields, that is the basic applications of the microbiology and the applied applications of the microbiology. In basic, we can study about by microorganisms, we can choose the field. By process, the various metabolic processes can be studied, and the disease related, because all the microorganisms does not cause the diseases, but maximum diseases are caused by the microorganisms only. So I have previously also told you that by organism, we can choose the fields such as the bacteriology, if we study the bacteria, phycology, if we study about the algae, mycology, if we study about the fungi, if we study viruses, then it is virology, if we study about the parasites, then it is the parasitology, and if we study about the protozoan, then it is the protozoology. By processes, that is various types of metabolism, for example, the microbial metabolism, the genetics, that is the microbial genetics, whether that microorganism is having which type of nucleic acid, and the microbial combinations and techniques, the microbial techniques. Then there is in basic, we can choose the field that is the disease related field. In disease related field, one of the important and the what we can say is the remarkable field is the immunology. Second is the epidemiology, that is the epidemics such as the corona epidemic is there, pandemic is there, and the etiology, that is their relationship with others. And the applied microbiology. Applied microbiology, there is a very vast opportunities such as disease related, environmental related, and industrial microbiology. In disease related, what we can see, how the infection causes, how can we control those microorganisms, and which chemicals can be applied, that is the chemotherapy for those microorganisms. Environmental microbiology includes the various types of factors such as the soil microbiology, the plant microbiology, the root microbiology, the air microbiology, the water microbiology, etc. Industrial microbiology. It deals with the production of foods and beverage. Pharmaceutical microbiology also comes under the industrial microbiology, and the genetic engineering, by which we uses the microorganisms for different target purposes. In the applied branches, the agricultural microbiology, the medical microbiology, the food microbiology, the pharmaceutical microbiology, the microbial biotechnology, and the industrial microbiology are the main fields. In environmental microbiology, as I have told, the aeromicrobiology, the biotechnology, the soil microbiology, the industrial microbiology, the occupation health or infection control microbiology, food safety, diagnostic microbiology, water quality, aquatic microbiology, and hazardous waste bioremediation. In food microbiology, what are the fields where we can go? Those are the advanced food packaging, food security, protection against spoilage and pathogenic microbiota, development of innovative products, food processing, nano additives, cleaning and sensors for detection of contaminants, improved production of food crops, and so on. The references which I have taken are the textbook of microbiology by R.C. Dubey and D.K. Maheshwari and by P.D. Sharma. One thing I want to tell you that there are vast field in the field of microbiology. As nowadays, due to the pandemic, there is a research going on the viruses, because these viruses will later on also cause many types of diseases, and so the opportunity is there, so you can go for the virology, and there are very less number of virologists present. And in fact, in India, we are seeing about, we are opening that courses of the virology, and government is thinking to develop it as another major subject also, virology. And studying about the microorganisms itself can lead you to a very prosperous future. So if you have any doubts in this presentation, or any type of queries you want, you can ask me at 9977471666, or you can email me at chamaibig@gmail.com. Thank you very much. Thanks at all.